Maraming para sa inyo po talaga tong ginawa naming routine. Thank you so much!
Looking at another angle, the news side.
I am Dea Lorenzo to find out the favorite team or routine of National University Pep Squad fans.
Welcoming us to the N Universe, the NU Pep Squad once again showcased an extraordinary performance as extraterrestrial beings posing as space agents. However, as they have explored various concepts through the years, what team or routine do the fans and NU Pep Squad pick?
My favorite NU team is the 2019 and it is actually my very first UAAP cheer dance competition that I watched. It was a thrilling experience and it really made me a fan of the NU Pep Squad.
I think it was last year, way back 2022. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi it was Zumba team. Very entertaining, very vibrant.
For me, this year's team, the N-Universe.
Siyempre, hindi na tayo lalayo. Ito na yon, N-Universe na. Siyempre po ngayon.
For me, ito, yung Out of This World.
Kasi, as lang masabi ko, grabe. Wow, napakagaling talaga.
Grabe, from props, from stunts, from costume. Grabe, pasabog. Kasi naging part po ako nitong routine nito and nakagawa din po kami ng history. And lahat po kami sobrang saya kasi itong routine nito mapapasama na po sa isa sa pinaka-highlight ng team namin ngayon.
Kasi kami yung senior, kami talaga yung parang ang bigat ng responsibility sa team and nasurpass namin yon. And sobrang thankful din ako kasi yung cooperation ng rookies and juniors namin, sobrang nakaka-proud na nagawa namin yung magandang routine kanina and na-showcase namin sa maraming tao.
Yung favorite NU Pep Squad routine ko, siguro masasabi ko yung Android. Yung naka-metallic sila na white.
Yung number 1 ko talaga is the Cyborg.
Nung doon nag-start yung pagiging innovative ng NU Pep Squad, talagang they set the bar so high na sinusundan na yan ng maraming cheerleading team. So doon ako proud.
Yung people around it, yung people na nag-compose nun is sobrang hinog yon and we wanted to gain talaga momentum para makakuha ng more championship. That team was talaga sobrang lakas dun for me.
The NU Pep Squad also expressed their gratitude to the Nationalian community for their enthusiastic support.
To all Nationalians, thank you po sa lahat ng nagtiwala, sumuporta sa amin. And sana tuloy-tuloy po niyo po kaming pagkatiwalaan, suportahan hanggang sa patuloy-tuloy natin yung championship.
Sobrang thankful kami na grabe yung suporta nyo kanina, grabe yung sigawan, yung palakpakan nyo. Thank you and sana pagpatuloy niyo yan na suportahan ng NU Pep Squad. Eh, hindi lang NU Pep Squad, pati yung ibang sports ng NU.
Kanina rin sabi ko, sobrang grabe kayo. Ibang level ang powers ninyo. Ibang level ang hiyawan ninyo, mga oh wow. Iba yung tunog nyo para kayong merong megaphone lahat. Iba yung hiyawan nyo. Maraming salamat po sa support. Patuloy po tayong gagawa ng mga routine na para sa inyo na magugustuhan nyo talaga. Mag-e-enjoy kayo lagi. Maraming para sa inyo po talaga tong ginawa naming routine. Thank you so much!
Claiming their 8th championship in 11 seasons, the NU Pep Squad has more out-of-this-world tumblings, stunts, tosses, pyramids, and dance to offer in the future.
I am Dea Lorenzo of PNTV. Looked at another angle, the news side.